Hello, everybody. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Thank you all for always coming back to support this girl, this channel. I really do appreciate every one of you. May the good Lord bless you all as you always come back to watch this girl here, as you always come to support this girl. Thank you all for coming back to support me. I appreciate every one of you. May the good Lord bless you all. Today, I want to try to film our beautiful sister, Regina Daniel, yes, Ned Nwoko, wife. There is this video when I see things. I'm sorry I bring it late. This video when Regina Daniel, she dey kiss her children. Picture is like maybe her children's birthday or they just do it for her. I don't really know. Let me go and bring the picture out. This particular picture, Regina Daniel, they kicks her children and her children and herself. Then I was busy waiting, to see whether Regina go kiss her husband. Normal Regina, if something not dey ground, Regina go kiss her husband. Her Ned Nwoko. May una take your time. Listen before you drop comment or before you judge. Okay? The reason why I want to talk this matter is because I dey see competition between Regina and her second co-wife, that is Laila. That's Morocco, our Moroccan wifey. If na not dey see them like that, me don't dey see them like that. They're not come for me. I get catarrh for nose. I got a little fever. And I not come for me. See, as I say, our wifey, that is Ned Nwoko, because say when election day, maybe we just tell ourselves the truth. Time of election, now Regina and Ned, they carry up and down, not ever see Lela. I know who believe say that's Moroccan wife with Ned Nwoko. That day, I'm sorry if I pronounce your name here. I'm so sorry. As far as you still get one wife senior for us, I supposed to still call your name Asilo. you know. Now I see say Regina go the kiss. No be say na lie. I will play the video so that me una see am. Then I see Regina when she go visit her husband, her husband office. Small by mountain. Now wow. Second wifey. Small by mountain. All the old men, old women, elderly women start needing that money. Money can turn this your tongue to speak in tongue. Money can make grandpapa better for small pikin when they born today. Me I fit congratulate them when she go see her new husband office. So my people, I was shortalized. Then Moroccan wife, go. Then after she go finish Moroccan wife, me I no go sit down myself for one of my sister channel when Moroccan wife say, if you go the office, me I hold my husband hand. Competition don start to. But when this thing start to dey happen, I no understand. Ned no fit tell us say he no dey see those things. First of all, let's play when Regina go her husband office and when Regina kiss her husband, when Regina kiss her children. We hear me for the sense say something not dey normal again. It's like Regina dey vet for Ned Nwoko, dey vet for her husband. Where me want try talk, but let's look. Not Regina is not a nice lady. Not Regina, she's not good. Regina, she's good. Regina, Mercy Johnson, those people that they help people a lot. They help people. Maybe we tell ourselves the truth that they help people. But first of all, let's watch before we get straight to our main topic. Okay. I hope I don't watch that part. Okay. Where she for go greet her husband office, go see her husband office. Let's watch. I'm at the point in life, understand me or not. You can understand me or not. I be like Terminator. My people, I hope now don't watch as me they watch. Me they watch my own for phone for here. I hope now they watch now for phone for there. I hope now see Regina Daniel. No be say I sugar cane now. No be say I dey lie. When Regina want reach her husband side, did not call kiss her husband. No, my Regina now pass when they show her husband, when they showcase her husband, when they kiss her husband. But for that, poster, now only she even kiss herself, she kiss her baby, and she don't kiss her husband. Then for me, I call the saying say maybe there is something in the mountain. Then before I call the say Laila don start to dey post her husband picture. No be me talk am before. When election they take place, when this our sister they work, if they campaign. No say our sister now superstar now our Nigerian Nollywood star. When her husband they carry her up and down go there, convert people to vote for him. They say no be him win am but no be me talk am. Na wetin they say they see. When Regina they work, they if in fact they follow grandpa. No, I was see am. No try that rubbish again. When Regina they follow her her sweet husband, they go. We not see Lela Lela suffer come say go and work, I go chop am. Go work, come here, I go lemon. Now I see say Lela don't start now. Don't they post Ned Nwoko picture say there is fire in the mountain, fire in the mountain, fire, fire, fire in the mountain. Now I see our sister one kiss. She not gree kiss Daddy Nwoko. Daddy Nwoko, I'm sorry, sir. He not gree kiss Daddy Nwoko. Go dey kiss herself. Me can go dey kiss myself. E good though. My beautiful sister Regina Daniel. Congratulations to you once again, to your household, to your husband, to your co-wife. Yes, no be only you want Ned Nwoko marry, because you don't first see her. I know say many comments go dey there. You know say Ned Nwoko he get second wife. No be say they divorce. They when you new enter that house, both of you they leave pigs, and you will be like junior sister to Laila, I mean Laila, Moroccan wife. But now your two leg don't stand. You don't know whether that lady they exist again. They say wetin they no do me, not do another person. Wetin they say they no do you, not do another person. You know say you sign second wife before you enter there. Me I know say na money na make you enter there. If not be say our dad, our Ned won't call our grandpapa, he gets money before not near there. No be say they say you not nice, you nice. Only things what they do self. When you go hospital, if you say I'll carry that video still come. When you go hospital, when you go they give away, carry small baby when they newborn, see people when they sick. My sister, God will bless you. God will bless you and bless your household. As they do that give away, Almighty God, He will remember you. But the things what I'm going to try to tell you, maybe if anybody not tell you, no carry face I beg. You meet Lela for that house. I wish Daddy Nwoko, Nwoko, I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry, Regina husband. I'm sorry, sir. I beg not say anybody come for me Kata they worry me here. Let me just use my mouth, take talk. Then I go enter my house. When you see say Ned Nwoko, he marry wife, and before you say you go marry, don't ever I sit down here. See you call the carry face or you call the do competition. No. That leg when you first enter that house, that the same leg, let it remain like that. Me una not go drag una self for line. When we come they do episode part 2, episode part 2, episode part 3, episode 100. If I see anybody for my comment section go say leave Regina Daniel, that person that your compliment, I will trace you reach your house. May anybody who know Regina, may call her, may advise her. Say this online competition when we they see now, they suffer, they smell with the vlogger, with the reaction channel. When we they suffer, they sit down, where they look at everybody corner, everybody else, everybody, what is this one? May they don't go drag you. Respect yourself. Because if Lela started to post her husband picture, you meet them before. I beg, don't be say they join Morocco, they beat my sister. Both of you now my sister. Lela na our wife. You na my sister, na our wife. That might if I not be there. My grandmama na that side for come my you know say Nigeria will be one. If they start to define great, we are one. If they go say they start to define Africa as a whole, grand, if they go start to they do all those things now, but me na Cameroon, me na Ghana, me na Ghana, Ghana, Cameroon, me na dia. Cover me me na Africa Regina now. Na call am, me na call am. Me na call am because this online competition when me they see now it go scatter table. And many of us will blame Regina. We'll blame her because you see her before you wonder. Now the could make you wonder. Don't be saying you're hungry. Don't be saying you don't get something when they do. Don't be saying you know. Just I want to live that life when I dey ask for fame. I want to live that life when I dey ask for fame. I want to belong. Now make you enter there, my beautiful sister. I beg. I go advise you as a sister. As a my sister. What I want call you again? Online fight. You know good oh. If say you no meet Laila for our daddy, our papa house, you no meet Laila for our papa, our Ned Nwoko house. Now when you don't fight finish, when you carry you no carry they vote for her now. Okay, they no vote for her, carry her. Okay. Now when you don't carry the votes for grant, they enter government house. Now it can't come. We go, fight her. But Laila dey Ned hand when you take come. That leg drag am go back. I no wan see chekele because your body na don dey hot, don dey e be like say second competition wife, wetin dey call am? Hey, dey wetin dey call dey o. If I talk am na my language, I for go talk am o, no for to enter o. Okay, me I no talk am. Sha, throw your back, come back. And you young girl, when you dey watch us, when you dey look say, oh, if I just marry this sugar daddy, that means get many wives. Na my own, I did not lie o. There will be a time when you not when you go to imagine say, hey, I wish only me and my husband just marry. Hey, I wish now only me one I just dey with my husband hand. Now wetin Regina Daniel go dey think now. When Ned go dey Laila house, Regina go dey think guys dey do vaga. Oh God, oh God, oh God. See Laila post picture. Regina go dey look am. How many comments Regina go post? You go say na my comment na many part because you be Nigeria star. Laila no be Nigeria star. Now you even give Laila some small, if like maybe people say now me I no even know. Now when Ned marry you, now I know Ned and know her. That one no be competition. I know say you go the higher one. Hey, Laila don't post. Hey, Laila don't do this one. No go carry appreciation for your young age. I love you and I like what you they do as they help our poor, as they put smile our poor face. My sister, I don't want to hear a story that touch you this call, this heart. I don't want them. Respect yourself. Enjoy your space. Leave Laila, enjoy her space. If anybody come my comment and say that I will fire you. I will fire you. I will fire you. Morocco, wife Laila, they fight for Morocco. Regina, they fight for Naija. I don't understand though. My people, as if I never watch the video. Now I carry her come na table. I say, man, I can't see Regina Laila. If online fight is start, Ned daddy, Ned won't daddy. Call your two wife. I hope say you they see. If online boss, I know say you like online matter. I know he like online matter because tell me nothing not they see all those things when we online in-laws they see. I not believe our daddy will say no this year. My beautiful people, now this one I break come out. I say me my young ones when they will dead their spirit. If Ned won't not get money, Regina for no marry, I mean they tell ourselves the truth. But as he marry her, we wish her good luck. We wish both of them good luck, but we don't want to carry fight because once we the reactors enter on a matter, we go react until 100. In fact, people when they watch it, they go say I tire. They not tire. The thing they sweet there. As they land down, after that they land, they come. May una call them now before we enter their matter. They do episode. No go there. Nobody like poly. Me, why they are not like poly. But if man marry before or woman marry before, they want not be poly. I know they call that one poly. As far as they don't they gay. But say I meet woman for my hand. No, me I not try am. And I not advise any of my brother, my sister, any girl. I not advise you. I not try am more. Me I not try am. They say road. Wetin mama they see when you go sit down. You small pikin if you go climb story building. See am. Now like this I do. See I meet you in my next video. Drop your own opinion. No na advice our daddy Ned Nwoko grandpapa. Sorry sir. No na advice I make call it two wife enter house. If reactor start to the react episode 1, episode 2, may not go out. May not start to the report because there's a big report China. Now I make me quickly bring her come out to tell her. Bye bye.
To discuss, cause I they win by default and without any doubt.